I've got a sheet of window film. This is from a brand Pillar. I've never heard of them before, never used them. It doesn't matter which brand you use. The process of doing this will be very similar. We're gonna start cleaning the glass. I've just got some glass cleaner. So I'm gonna spray over all of the glass. So I'm just gonna wipe that glass cleaner off. I do recommend cleaning and wiping off as much of the glass cleaner with one towel and then swapping over to a new dry one. Once the window's clean, I'm gonna measure the width and the height of the window. Right, so I'm gonna roll this out. You wanna make sure you do this on a clean, flat surface like my hallway right here. Alright, I'm now gonna cut this to size. I'm gonna use my tape to measure it to the same size as the window, but add 20 mil, so this is just a little bit wider than what the window is. I've just got a level underneath the sheet, and I'm gonna use that to rule a straight line. This sheet has a clear bit of plastic on it. We want to peel that off just by trying to pull them apart in one corner. There you go, it's hard to get to, but once you get it, the whole thing is just gonna come off. So I've got some window film solution. This is from Pillar as well. And what we need to do is I'm gonna spray a generous amount on the window. Now with our window film solution, we're also gonna cover our film. Now that we sprayed both sides of our film and the glass, we can just put this up to the glass and start sticking it on. You want to start from one corner, work your way across. I like using a bit of cardboard that it came wrapped around as a bit of a roller to roll out all those air pockets. Once again, for this stage, if you've got a squeegee, that's most practical in getting rid of these air bubbles. After this, we should have some excess film on either side of the window. The reason for that is we cut it the extra 20 mil longer, and now we're just going to go through with the knife and cut it off around the edge. We do want to allow a 1 mil gap so the rest of that water and spray can get out, and it'll also help with getting rid of those last few air pockets around the film. If at this point you do have any more bubbles, spray some more lubricant at it and then keep going at it with that tool or even with a straight edge and just try push those bubbles out while spraying it with the lubricant.